What's going on, guys? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today, as you people said me in the comments that you want to learn Revit, and someone sent me to show some HDRI files in 3ds Max, and someone asked me for AutoCAD. However, I thought that perhaps you'll be helped by Revit architecture because many people will teach you AutoCAD. And coming to the 3ds Max, I will show eventually this HDRI files, but let's start with Revit architecture. So you have to open Revit and you have to click on architectural template. You can actually install Revit 2017 if you are finding problem in installing Revit 2017. You may actually Google that thing, but still if you're finding the problem, you may actually comment me what exactly is the problem you're getting. Um, I will be helping you in the comment, or you can actually WhatsApp me as well. The snapshot of error, what exactly showing to you, I will be helping you. However, in Revit, if you're going, you can see here how the user interface is. Like you can see here on the top, architecture, structure, system, insert. There are many different kind of tabs which are available. And you can see here project browser is there, and you can see here properties browser is there. If you already know AutoCAD, then perhaps you will be having a little bit of information about the properties browser. If you press Ctrl+1, you will be getting this properties browser, and if you're pressing again Ctrl+1, it's going to go. So the same shortcut key is going to be there in our Revit also. So Ctrl+1 will be helping you. Now there's something called project browser. In project browser, you'll be having option like different kind of views like levels and ceiling plans, elevations, and you're going to go for all this different kind of plans by the help of this project browser. So that was a quick description of this properties browser and project browser. Below we'll be having again some options, and here also some options are there. And you can actually see how we are having actually wall option, doors, windows, and it's very quick and simple how we can actually create our any plan kind of thing, like create like this thing. And then if you want to place any doors and windows, you can actually easily place that doors and windows as well. So this is how simple it is. And if you want to go for again wall, you can actually go here and start creating. Well, here I'm just creating everything roughly. If you want to have the things more perfectly, like you want to have certain distances, let us say I want a room of 10 feet by 10 feet, like you can do that thing. You can see there's something called witness lines. Click here and it's gonna go inside, and click here and select this wall, and then make this thing as 10 feet, and again select this thing and make you can see here it's from center to center. I don't want from center to center, so click here and again click here, make this thing again 10, press enter, and it's showing some kind of one because there is a window here. I'm just deleting and select that thing and then click on delete, and it's done deleted. Now you can see here how it is actually created. If you want to have a perfect shape, then you can actually select any one of the side, and you can actually make that thing according to your way. You can click and drag as well, press tab, and you can actually go here, and you can click and drag, press tab, you can go here and make this thing, let us say 30 feet, and you can see how it's actually becoming 30 feet. Click here for having permanent dimension, and again select this thing, and you can actually make that press tab, and then let's say I want this thing as 20 feet. So here we go, you have a small little plan. If you want window, it's pretty easy, just click on window, W1 is the shortcut key, click here, click here, click here, and you can see here how simple and easy you can actually create the plan. Use place a component option in order to place the furniture as well. However, for this tutorial I think it's more than enough. Just go ahead and try to create your plans. If you have any doubt, you may ask me in the comment section. Until that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.